Welcome to the Barket Domain course and how we can make money from Barket domains. In fact, this lecture will be a quick introduction about what is the meaning from the Barket domain and how it works. The Barket domain is the uncompleted website names, for example, like this website. This is my own domain, affiliatemother.com. This is not a complete hosting website. I only submit for this hosting name, and sometimes the hosting name may be the website.com or .net or .info, like this domain at youtube.info. So whatever the extension of the domain that you will submit, you can turn on this domain without paid any additional money from hosting or from completing this website by making any themes in this website. You can simply turn on this Barket domains into a platforms to show an advertising in this Barket domains, and anyone will come to visit your Barket domain and will see these ads, and after click on this ad you will get a money. This is the same concept from the AdSense, if anyone known before about the AdSense. In fact, the Barket domains system was before in the Google AdSense, and after that the Google retired this system from their system and moved this service to another companies, and we will discover these companies together through this course. But I was just need to give you a quick introduction about this topic because some people feel that this is a spam or a scam programs, but it's not true. This is a true program about how you can turn on your Barket domains into a platform for showing advertising and ads on your Barket domains, and you can earn money from this advertising after anyone press on these ads. And there is another way to can make money from this Barket domains by making these domains for sale, and anyone will like your domain, he can easily contact your domain. As you see, if I clicked on this icon, I made this Barket domain for sale, and I linked this Barket domain with my own website, and anyone will like my own website, sorry, my Barket domain, they will can contact me through my contacts on my website. And if you don't have any website, you can turn on a forums contact on this Barket domain, and we will discover this later together step by step. But I was need to give you a quick introduction about the Barket domains and how we can earn money from the Barket domains.